Welcome to the in front of me TOSCIDO M863, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature on this device. So we should get the Ampere application first from the Play Store. So let's launch the Play Store application, and after that here in the search we'll enter Ampere. So now we should get this application and tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application installing, downloading and installing on your device. And after that, just we should open this application. So click here to open it. Now just click yes, I agree, pick close. Here on the left down corner, tap to OK, and now we can see here the section with our device battery temperature. In my case, that's 20 degrees. Also, we can find here more information about our device battery level, capacity, voltage, and more other info like the Android version or the device model. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.